he said in some places there is some students in far countries, before announcing or getting married to a girl, they come to a conclusion with her consent that this marriage will take place only for 4 years or so. What is the Islamic point of view about this kind of marriages?
This is definitely wrong and forbidden. This is a sort of muta. Marriage is for life. It may break, but abzaqul halale in the law at-talaq. So, if talaq is included in the preconditions, the marriage goes wrong, kaput, nothing of the marriage is left. Again, this person should ponder over the question, if somebody is permitted to precondition the marriage to 4 years or 3 years, etc., why can't he do it for 1 day or 2 days? You see, one mischief will always lead to another. Another fact which perhaps people do not know is that almost all the prostitutes in Pakistan are Shia. All of them. Because the ulama, Shia ulama can tell them that yes, you can make a nikah, temporary nikah with anybody, every day. Every night have another husband. And you don't have to have the nikah announced properly by a mullah. But perhaps they keep their mullahs as well, who daily declare all of them to be married, and daily divorced. So this is all a joke with religion, filthy religion. It's worse than what's happening elsewhere in the world of Christianity, etc., etc.